So guys, good afternoon. Baba tayo. Baba tayo guys. Punta tayo sa kitchen. And then check natin yung linuluto ko na munggo. Ito siya guys. So, ayan. So, I think it needs another 10 minutes. Ayan. So, may ilalagay tayo ng ano. Choco. Langka. So, maglagay tayo ng langka. Ayan. Mayroon tayo ditong onion. Mayroon tayong onion. And then garlic. Ayan. And garlic. And then para ito sa bird. Kakainin ng bird. And then ano pa ba? So, yun na siya. Okay. And then ilagay ko muna kayo. Ulan guys. Umuulan. Hindi ako makapunta sa third floor. Nandoon yung ano ko. Ibang ano ko. Yung what you call, ibang ingredients. So may ano guys, so may cooking. Tingnan nyo guys yung ginagawa ko. If you want to see, ay hindi nyo makita guys. Start ko kayo. Masyadong maano yung ang camera, masyadong malapit. Masarap to guys. Cookies. Ayan, bigyan natin sila. Give them some. So we're just gonna wait for that one to be cooked. Ayan, ano natin, munggo. Let's cook ito kay daddy. This is like a burger patty. So ayan. Let's wait for it to cook.
For 20 people, or you get that.
Guys, it's been raining and we had a very strong strong thunder. Uy, ara naman. And lightning. Oh, there. You can hear the lightning. Oh my goodness. Yeah, guys. Yan. So raining. This is the rain. What happened in the rain? So, look at the rain, guys. Very strong. See the water. You hear the rain. It's very strong. We have like a thunder. Very loud and lightning. So we are here on the second floor, which that's the view. That's the view that you can see upstairs. And this is just on the second floor. There. Out there is raining so hard. Ta-da! Ayan. So we're just gonna stay put inside. So we can just monitor the rain. And yeah, I had a blood nose because I poked my nose. So that's what happened. And guys, this is our luggage. So when we go to Singapore, we have our luggage ready. I don't think I will bring my brush and mirror. So I'm not sure. Maybe we should bring this. But I don't use mirror, guys. I use my phone. I had a comb. I bring the comb to do. So I'll show you. So guys, this is some of the things we are going to bring for our holiday in Singapore and Malaysia and back to the Philippines. So we have a pouch with our toothbrushes, toothpaste, and I always bring Downy. You can always freshen up the space, and shampoo, all in sachet, because if I bring the one in the bottle, it's too big. This is just enough for the days that we need a spare one. Daddy will bring the shoes, and Dad have this bag. So this is what we pack to go to overseas. So okay guys, to be continued. This is what Daddy is going to bring. So this is his bag, the black one. This is it. I will bring a little bit farther so you can see what I'm doing. That's it. This is his bag. So this is how I pack the things that goes with it. This one is brief and socks. This one, this some of the clothes, and some of the clothes. Another belt. Is that two belts? One will do. We'll leave one. So this is another set of clothes. Oh. So we got 2 and 3. So far, because we're only staying for a few days. And maybe we can put tongs in here later. So that's his, and this is mine. We had this handle put in, and it hasn't changed. They haven't really done anything to the bag, and I paid 600 pesos just for a stitch. So 600 pesos I paid for few stitches. They haven't done anything to it. So that's how I find the bag today. When I picked it up, not much they done to it. So let's continue, guys. This is what I'll be bringing. Also 3 bags. 1, 2, and 3. So enough for few days. So this is only weighing 3.5 kilos. And all my paperwork goes in the bag. What we carry, passport and things like that. So this is what we're gonna bring to Singapore. That's it, guys. May ano siya. May kit. Yan. Same as this. Ayan, guys. Mas matibay. Kasi galing ng Australia yan. So, mas matibay siya. Pag pa Australia namin, siguro bibili ako niyan. Kasi kailangan namin pag nag-travel kami. We'll see. No? Pag nag-bus ka dito sa Pilipinas, baka hindi siya suitable kasi medyo malaki siya, guys, for the for the top, or maybe it would fit actually. Maybe mag-fit siya. So, ayan. So, that's what we're gonna carry with us when we go to Singapore. Only a little bit left. We need to do chargers. So, this is my international charger. Galing siya, guys, ng Cebu Pacific. So, pakita ko siya sa inyo. Binili ko siya sa travel namin from Zamboanga del Sur to Iloilo. Binili ko sa plane. Tapos bumili din ako ng luggage tag, which is ilalagay natin dyan. Marami pa kaming binili, nalimutan ko na. Ano ba binili ko? Parang hat yata yun. So, ayun. Ito, was my notebook ako na sinusulat ko yung mga travel ko dyan. Tapos, itong notebook, yung mga travel details, yan, sinusulat ko, guys. Kasi kailangan ko siyang i-jot down kasi yung mga bata, minsan magtanong sa akin tungkol sa mga dates ng travel namin para sa work nila. Tinatanong yung saan ang parents nila pumunta. Bakit ganun? But anyway, that's their job. Hinahanap tayo kung saan na tayong dako ng pumunta. Nag-holiday lang naman kami, guys. We just went for a holiday. Just seeing places. Yun. So, okay na yan. Ito na lang yung dadalhin ko na bag or the other green one. Sa palagay ko. Parang may kasi ito eh. May siya cut. Baka palitan ko na lang. Ito sana dadalhin ko, guys. Pero parang hindi na. Saka ito binili ko sa Cebu. Yan. I always wanted to have that. So, ayan. So, binili ko pala sa Robinson. Hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Gamitin ko. Yan. Keratin Pro. Yan. Para sa buhok. So, lalagyan natin. Yan ang vlog natin for today.
Okay. Sige, tara na ma'am, na ma'am.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Blow, 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 blow. Blow na kandun. Balik-balik.
Nag-wish ko nga kabay ang penta nga rin ng linsubong ng mga bakod. Kung may bakod kami. Ay, katon nga.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.